Hello friends, this is a crochet holy book cover pattern. This is a granny square pattern. In this pattern I am using the two color of cotton thread. You can make this book cover as per wish, big or small. Let us start. You take two color of cotton thread and one 4 mm crochet hook. Take your favorite color thread and make one slip knot. And make 1, 3, 4, 5 chain and go to the first stitch and make one slip knot and make small ring. Then make 3 chain. Count as a first DC and make 2 more DC in this small ring. Three DC, then 1 chain and make 3 double crochet. Then 1 chain and you repeat 2 more times this pattern. I have completed my 4 times of the DC stitch and here I have made 1 slip stitch in the first 3 chain and make, then for second round make 1, 2, 3 chain, count as a first half DC and go to the very first space and make 2 more DC. Then 2 chain, 1 chain and make 3 double crochet. In the second round you make 3 DC, 1 chain, 3 DC in the same space. This is the first space between 3 DC stitch. Then 1 chain and skip the next 3 stitches and go to the next space and make 3 double crochet. One chain three more DC in the same space. You make same pattern in this round. I have completed my second round and then here I have joined with slips list in the very first stitch and then you cut your yarn and you attach your second color yarn in the any space. You join it with slip stitch. And make 2 more chain, total 3 chains, count as a first DC, and make 2 more DC in the same space. One chain and make 3 more DC in the same space. Then one chain and go to the next space between the 3 DC stitch and make 3 DC. Then one chain, go to the corner space and make 3 DC, one chain and 3 more DC in the same space. Three DC, one chain, 3 DC in the corner space, then one chain and 3 DC in the space between the 3 DC stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds of the granny square pattern. You increase your stitches in the every row, and you make big size of squares, or you measure your book size and then you make the squares. In the next video I will show you how to fold the book cover. Thank you.